Hey guys, welcome back to IGS. Today's gonna be a little bit different. Just as some context, so I've took an FTMO challenge currently, and I am almost, to be honest with you, I have almost blown the account. And I'll just show you a little bit of that. This is a little bit of, is this the one? Let me see. Let's make sure. Yeah, so this is the one. It's not showing me all of the history, but actually, you know, I'll show it. 1 second. I'm gonna have to wait anyway for 9:30. And we got some double tops coming here, which is what I'm really excited for. But yeah, basically, I've had this challenge for pretty much over a month right now. I started out okay. I was up about 1,500, and you'll see like the chart. I was up 1,500, and I was a little bit nervous when I started this challenge, and I really just wanted to get through it. And when I started it, I kind of got a little worried about it, and it just kind of got a little out of hand. I had a couple great trades where I was up, $5,400, which was pretty much half of what you need to attain. This is a 100K account, so 10K is what I need. But as you can see here, so these are something that I haven't passed yet before. Past these, I'll just show you this here while we're waiting for 9:30. But yeah, so I started on August the 30th, so this is well over, sorry, let me just stop talking and start trading for a second. Just start getting these ready. This is, sorry, let me just focus on, see if I just need to make this decision really quick right now. I'm worried about 9:30. I don't want 9:30 to go right now. I only literally have $164 left in this right now. I just need to be a little bit more smarter with my entries. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait till 9:30. I don't think there is gonna be a huge issue. I'm not gonna miss so much. I'm definitely just gonna get out of that wave of nonsense, because if this does a whole bunch of extraness, it's gonna start creating a whole bunch of problems. So you can see the max loss is only 10,000. So I only have pretty much 100 and something max permitted loss of $164. So this is all that I have to play with. I was actually lower than this, so it's actually at $80 in the past 2 days or so. So I actually, the $80 I had since I stopped trading this probably within like a month or so ago. And then I was like, you know what, let me just try to see if I can bring this back. So this is gonna be the challenge. Not only is it just to make the 10K at all, but it's really the challenge of just bringing, so I really need to make 20,000, because I'm bringing pretty much 10,000 back and then another 10 G's all the way back. So I think it's something that we can do, or we're gonna try to do it. Yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes, and we're gonna see how we're able to bring this back. And I'm thinking I'm gonna make it a series. So Road to Profits is just gonna be put on hold a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit more of this year, so bringing back the FTMO challenge. It's gonna be a little bit more about FTMO a little bit, and if I don't pass it, I think I'm just gonna go back to Road to Profits. Or if I get, if this gets blown out, which is totally fine, we'll just go back to Road to Profits. But I'm gonna try my best to actually bring it back and just kind of have a great, I think, series, I think, attention for this YouTube. I think this would be pretty interesting, and very realistic. So let's get right into it. So I just wanted to show you this. There's a couple trades in here that you can see where it's like there's a couple big losses where it's just like, what are you doing? You know, and that's okay. You know, this challenge was probably the last challenge before I, you know, really dived into Tom a little bit. And you can see the type of trading that I was doing wasn't very successful with it because of just the way I was thinking about the market. So there's a trade in here. But basically there's a trade in here that I lost probably about like 3,000 or something like that. Something crazy. And that was from just holding a loss, basically, way too long. I literally was in profit about $5,000, and oh, it's probably this one right here. It's probably like this one. Yeah, like it's probably one of these two. I mean, look at that, back to back, 3 grand, back to pretty much 3 grand back to back in 3 days. But that was something that I just did not do. My mental wasn't there yet. So yeah, so I think for this is something that it's going to be very interesting to see if I can turn this around, using Tom's strategy, change my psychology. You know, it's not to say that I'm going to lose, but it's more so, you know, we're just going to we're going to minimize those losses as much as possible. Try to minimize those losses as much as possible and capitalize on all the wins. That's it. That's all we do. So that's all we should be doing. Sometimes you can execute that perfectly and sometimes you can't, but you know, that's the whole game of trading. So yeah, see, number of trade 205. My R&R is crap, 0.53. Right, you know, 41.9% win rate. And you'll see some of the other ones where it's like, you know, this one was done in pretty much 2 weeks. Yeah, exactly 10 days. R&R is 2.4, had a 77% win rate. Sharp ratio was decent, it was 0.5. So, you know, it's very possible. And this wasn't with Tom's strategy. This is with another strategy that I was using, which is very good. The strategy is very, very good. It's a very swing trade. So you can see I entered this trade on the 14th. Yeah, I held this trade for an hour and 40 minutes. I mean, this looks like I took partials. Yeah. But yeah, so, you know, there's definitely some success here. There's different ways to getting it. So, but yeah, so we'll just go back and, you know, see if we can pull this account back up. I think that'll be very interesting for myself, and I think for you guys to, you know, to really see, you know, you can pull things back. Even for myself, you know, I was pretty much gave up on this account, and I was just like, I'm just not gonna touch this thing. There's no way I'm gonna bring this back. But you know, these past couple of months, just been focusing on Tom's strategy a little bit, and you know, the test trades have been going really well. I traded 2 days before I started recording this, so that's how I got it back from 80 to 164, which was decent today. It's gonna be very small wins, just letting you know. It's not gonna be the normal 3,000, you know, we're up 2 grand or something like that. I'm gonna just really just try to take my time with this, because you know, you're only leveraging $100 goes like that. So it's not a big, it's not a lot of room. So, you know, really, you know, today, really, if we can, money target today is about $100. We can get $100 today. I'm completely happy with that. I'm completely satisfied, just because of what, yeah, just because of what it is for this account, right? You know, I don't need $400, $500 because that's not really going to be realistic, right? The market gives us that, cool. The market gives us that today. Like that's great. You know, if it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, we're not gonna force anything that's not being given, and we're not going to set extremely high expectations for something that is very hard to achieve. So that's just not what we're gonna do. Yeah, so that's the plan for today, and I think that's just gonna be the plan for the next couple of weeks, as you know, as long as I can hold this account. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can pull this thing back. It'll be very interesting if I can, and I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy. That would definitely be an award achievement for me. Definitely a badge of honor for sure. And it's, you know, it's public, and this is what the YouTube stuff is for. So, you know, it's kind of to remember your wins and to showcase them, and you know, when you're not, you know, if you're doing well, you have a bad day or whatever the case is, you know, you can go back and just say, hey, you know, you did this here. You know, watch yourself. Watch how you did this. I think also too, you know, if I decide to take a break or whatever the case is, you know, I'm able to just get refocused and get realigned with how, you know, basically how I wanted to trade. But yeah, so let's see how this day goes today, and we're either gonna have a green day or we're gonna have a red day. I mean, you know, it's pretty simple. So let's just see how this goes. I just need. All right, guys. So we have some a little bit of formation here with this double top here. I'm so tempted to get into this thing. So tempted to get into this thing. I just need to just relax. Let the 9:30 rush on any other, like, yeah, if I did not have this tight of a basically a stop loss, I would be in this thing already. I would be in the buy right now. I would definitely be in the buy. I don't have that much room, so it just needs to immediately go into profit. So we're gonna be a little bit more fearful when it comes into this entry for today. But when we start to get to, you know, $500, $1,000, you know, we're at 1,000, we're at 1,200, we're at 2,000. We can start to get a little bit more comfortable and start getting back into our original entries and re-entries, things like that. So yesterday I definitely traded yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I had some pretty decent. I should have marked my stuff. But yesterday I had some pretty decent moves. So I had an entry here, had a buy entry here, which was really good, and then I exited pretty much here. So yeah, some great entries. I lost a couple within this range here, which is it was a little crazy here. I was just trying to, you know, not blow the account, you know, and at the same time, you know, just try to, like, you know, be smart with it. But, you know, at the same, and this is what I think is going to be something that is going to, yeah, pretty much here. I think that's pretty much going to be where I can be a little bit more careful. So, but yeah. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna be patient on this one. Yeah, we're just gonna be patient on this one. My brain is telling me to get in this thing right now. And that's good. That's good. That's good. I just don't want to have this huge wave of nonsense coming in, and this is the only time I want to just hold my brain back just a little bit. Trained it so much where it's like ready to go. Go get in it. Go get in it. You got to test straight. Go get in it. You know. So, you know, unless we really start turning it down, I guess we can have a test trade on the test trade. Just 5 more minutes, guys. So let's just give it a second. Oh my God, this is killing me, guys. I want to get into this trade so bad. So bad. So bad. If this thing comes back down at 9:30, we're definitely gonna get entered in. But I just want to wait a little bit longer. Oh my God, I just want to wait just a little bit longer. I just don't want no nonsense. And what I've been happening, the previous couple of days that I've been doing has been after 9:30. So it hasn't been a little bit after this little whoosh of everything. So, you know, I've realized that, you know, right now it's not really about trying to maximize every little drop. Right now it's more about just being right, or just making money. Just making money, just securing the profits. You want something that's a little bit easier on the trend. And that's it. All right, guys, so let's start getting ready. And I've been waiting for one candle after, so I've been waiting basically 9:35 is when I'm entered into my positions. All right, 9:30, here we go. Oh, also too, sorry, before we even did all that, should have just checked this really quick. Today is Friday. We got non-farm happening at 8:30 already. And we're good, so no news today. All right, just waiting for this one candle. This thing gets me so antsy sometimes, man. That's why I like that test trade, man. Love that thing. Boom, get that out of there. It looked like it's going up today. We should get all that fluff out. Go on there, buddy. Get all of that fluff. Could be coming to retap this. You know, there's a lot going on right now. So it could be dropping. Who knows? All right, this is a rising 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Huge black candle here. If this closes well below this might be looking like a sell, or if not, I might, you know, this is a good buy signal here. Good Lord, I want to get in right now. Let's get into the trade. Just need to be paid. All right, guys, I think we're just gonna have to get in. Oh, good Lord. Is that confirmation? It's a minute. We can wait a minute. We can wait a minute. We can wait 1 minute. But you see, I knew that was gonna happen with that S&P. As soon as it broke this, I knew it had so much momentum. I knew it. That momentum is crazy. Yeah, that's why I can't wait till we get to this. We can bring this account back up to where it's like we have 3 grand in there. We can start doing some things. And it's January. We can definitely start doing some things. Oh, good lord! Please hurry up. All right, 30. We're gonna get you in first. S&P, you coming? You're right there. All right, so let's just hold this right now. Let's see if we can get right into profit immediately. And yeah, that's what we wanted. Good. Keep pushing it. Oh, that was painful. That was very, very painful. Yeah, so let's see if we can hold this position here. And we knew this. We knew this. We knew this was gonna happen, right? This is our normal strategy right here. It breaks that double top right there. We're already in it. Boom. Test trade. I probably would have had a heavy lot somewhere right here. Done. Especially on S&P. S&P is doing its work today. Yeah. And then we would have had this scary drop here on US 30 at least, but not on S&P, you know. So we're aiming for 100 today. Let's see if we can be flawless today. That would be very nice. Market, can we be flawless today? You know, I want to be flawless. I don't want to have any losses today, market. But go S&P, go. Yeah, so pretty good start for today. Up, but no, down $5. US 30 is just holding us down just a little bit. Let's see what's happening next. See what they're trying to do now. What are they trying to do now? Man, US 30 said we don't really want to go that far. Oh wow, we dropped crazy overnight. That's the previous close line. Yo, we dropped crazy overnight. That's crazy. All right, so here comes a potential pullback here. S&P, decent shooting star here. All right, so we're gonna have to close these out. Yeah, US 30 touches this level, it's over. I'm gonna take that out. Let's see if we get saved by the bell. Got some dudes who got a little chicken and exited, but that's okay. So here's our positions here. So let me just tell you our positions. So you can have a little bit more of a visual here. So we are somewhere here. Stop loss is probably going to be just below this here. Yeah, exactly. Pretty much somewhere here, and the stop loss is right there. So the position is literally right there. We have no TP, so we don't really care about this. Usually, yeah, we just drop it this way. Drop it that way. That's all we care about. Stops. Oh God. Yeah. US 30 is it's been a little reluctant. Does not want to push up. It does not want to push up. Come on, buyers. Let's go buy this thing, please. Look how far we've gone. Let's keep buying it. S&P. Guys, look at S&P. Look at S&P. Dollars is saying that I'm wrong, and I'm saying that I'm right. Let's go with what the market says. Now I need to switch this position, guys. I mean, the wick at the bottom just shows that it's not Yeah, the wick at the bottom is giving me a little bit of confidence that it should be going up. Just need to be just a little patient. We haven't seen huge drops yet. It did drop and now it wicked up. We're all the way up here. Let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. Let that stop loss get hit, and that's okay. Let's just be patient. More hopeful than anything. We're more hopeful than anything. When we're in profit, whether it's a little bit or a lot, we are more hopeful than. Come on, baby. You're in profit, you have a 50% higher chance of you staying in profit. So the market has momentum. It has momentum. I mean, S&P is looking decent. I like that it's broken that high. US 30 just broke its high right now. You know, we need some more buyers to get in there and just to start buying that thing up. Buy it up, baby. Come on now. There goes S&P. Oh. Somebody just sold. I think what I could do for them, for at least US 30, I can move it up. Just we're gonna move it up to break even. At least for S&P. Can't do it yet for US 30. It's just gonna tap me out. I'm just surprised that it's not above its previous close. Like, come on now. Like, yeah, thank you. Let's go, please. Nobody just bought. Like, why aren't y'all buying this? Yeah, today market's slow fighting right now. I didn't think my position was here actually, because the number actually reads here, but that is okay, I guess. Yeah, this is one thing I just don't understand. And this is kind of what Tom's strategy really was talking about when it comes to this. It's like, if you see the market going, go. Like, go where the market is going. Go where the market is going. The market's going up, go. If everybody did that, you would have no problem. As we can see here, just go where the market is going. Go where the market is going. We're almost at $100, guys. Let's go. Oh, hit our target for today, 100. Yeah. I had a feeling it's gonna get some more juice, so we're just gonna let this one ride a little bit. I'm actually very happy that US 30 has the upper hand, because that's exactly where we want it to be. So we're just gonna put that stop loss back in wherever this thing came off of. 469823. 4698.23. We're gonna keep that there, and then we're gonna start moving that. Yeah, we're just gonna let this one ride today, to be honest. We're gonna let this one ride. We're about to put break evens, and we'll get out when we get comfortable. I can't even see the market where it's going. But this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're gonna hold it just a little bit. I want to see a pullback a little bit. Let's see if we'll do 200 today. I don't know. Let's see how far we go. We got Paris manners and it's so dangerous. I I ain't gonna lie, today would have been a beautiful day for Road to Profits. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Good God. Good Lord. This is easy 3Gs right now. I would have had that test trade way at the bottom of here. Heavy lot would have been in, re-entered, boom, re-entered again, middle of this candle right here. We were about to go dummy. Like, to me, like, this is where you keep buying it now, right? Like, why are people shorting this right now? This is where the pullback comes from. Everybody thinks it's gonna drop, and then it does. It comes down, it's gonna retrace, but it's like, market has momentum. It's a snowball, it's a little ball, that's it. And the ball, it gets pushed when there's a majority, it only goes in one direction when there's a stronger heavy pull. And if you see the heavy pull, you go with the heavy, you say, oh, I was trying to push it left and it's going right now, so let me switch my side and let me just push with where it's going. And that's how it should be. And then you have, like, let's say you have 10 people and everybody, it's even, right? It's 5 on 5, 5 people pushing the ball to the left, and then the other 5 people pushing the ball to the right? So it's like equilibrium, right? Then for some reason, maybe one of the people just stop pushing as hard, right? So that gives it a slight little leverage, right? Maybe one person gets out, like they say, I'm tired of pushing this thing. So that means that 5 people, now it's 5 on 4. The ball starts moving towards the right. Move towards the right, move towards the right. A little bit more, inching. As that ball should be moving towards that right, those 4 people who are pushing it to the left should be getting out from under that ball and moving, go on the other side of the ball and push it towards the right. It's simple. It should be simple. It really, really should be simple. All right, I think I can put it to, I'm just mad I didn't get that S&P. I should have just held that S&P. I should have held that S&P. My position would have been here. I probably would have had well over 200 right now. I got chickened out, to be honest. I got a little chickened out. Break even position. Now is the funniest because S&P is like the less out of the two. I think 250 will be good. I think 250 was good. This is, I mean, right? We can't look at the money. We have to look at the momentum. To be honest, I mean, this is some huge momentum coming from all the way down here. I mean, really, this is the start of it, but like, this is some huge pushes, I think 250, we're done today. We're at 200 right now. We can get 250, we'll be done. And we got a perfect day today. Market gave, ooh, Lord, market, let's go, baby. Keep pushing. We have a perfect day, yay. Market gave us a perfect day, so let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about. I probably could hold it a little longer, but 250, I'm gonna take it out today. That's my number. I pushed it from 100. Now it's almost double, so can't be too greedy. 250, yeah, we're officially done. 250, we're done. $250. We're at 210, 212 right now. We just need one more little push. Give us another push, baby. Give us another. Alright, let's see if we can get it back up. Alright, so now stop loss at break even. I'm gonna hold that. I still can't do the stop loss there. I'm gonna put it here. We're gonna put it here. Leave it where it is. $185, just don't do that shooting star, please. Just give me another push. Give me another push. Yeah, we don't need to slow down. Give us another big candle wick. Yeah, good, good, good. Yeah, we don't want to slow down right now. Yes, we don't want to slow down. 230. All right, 230, 235, 240. Can we get a 230? Oh, 230, 230. Can we get a 240? Can we get a 240? 240, 240? Slowing down. We're slowing down, guys. Can we get a 230? 230, 230? All right, guys. Everybody's taking out. All right, we're gonna hold the 200. We'll take the 2 today. Decent day. Very, very good day. We're up $377, all the way from $80. Who would have thought it? Perfect day today. No losses at all. We have exceeded our monthly target to today's money target from $100. We took out at 220, 230, something like that, 220. Yeah. So decent day today. I'm just gonna keep doing this. I might be back on in the afternoon. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? I don't know. But if we are, then I'll see you guys then. If not, then I'll see you guys in the next session.